We launched advanced server-side execution and conditional orders on Insilico terminal. This is a big upgrade to how orders and trading logic run inside the platform. Instead of depending on your browser session, execution now happens server-side. This first starts off for Hyperliquid only and will then follow with all the other exchanges. That means your orders and algorithms can remain active even if you close the terminal, disconnect temporarily or switch devices. So the main idea is simple. You set the logic once and it keeps running without needing you to keep the tab open. There are a few parts to this. First, persistent server-side execution. All supported orders and algorithms now run on backend infrastructure rather than on the client. So if you place something that needs to stay active for a longer period of time, it doesn't disappear just because your browser closed or your connection dropped. It also enables long-running tasks, including TWAPs that can now run for up to 30 days. Second, conditional orders and trigger-based execution. You can now gate supported order types behind one or more trigger conditions. Those conditions are evaluated in real time, so execution only starts when your rules are met. That lets you build more event-driven and rules-based workflows instead of manually waiting for the right moment. For example, let's say oil starts moving on fresh headlines and you want to trade Hyperliquid Brent. You might want to enter only if price confirms, or only after a candle closes through a level, or only at a specific time. Now you can define that in advance and let the order activate server-side when the condition actually happens. There are multiple trigger types. Price triggers let you execute when price crosses a threshold. That can also include pair price based triggers, so you can trigger off a synthetic ratio between two markets on the same exchange. Candlestick triggers let you execute based on open high, low close and volume data across supported intervals. So you can trigger on something like candle close above or below a level, or on candle volume crossing a threshold. And time triggers let you schedule execution for a specific moment, which is useful for planned entries, exits or starting an algorithm later. You can also combine multiple conditions together with and or logic. So you can require several things to be true at once or allow execution as soon as the first relevant condition is met. You can create an order or algorithm on one device, then later monitor it, manage it or cancel it from another. That includes visibility into live TWAP progress and active running tasks. And finally, much better execution visibility. Every task has a fuller lifecycle attached to it. You can review fill history, see errors, and track what happened throughout the life of the order or algorithm. That's especially important for long-running tasks, where you want more than just the final result. So, to summarize, this release is giving you persistent server-side execution, trigger-based conditional orders, long-running TWAP support, cross-device task management, and much deeper visibility into how execution actually played out. Practical benefit is straightforward. Less dependence on one browser tab. More structured, hands-off execution with actual logic attached.